Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Molten Motor Company. Today we've got a real fantastic car for you. Absolutely impeccable condition. Drives and runs perfectly. Is a Jaguar XJ 3 litre D V6 diesel. And it's a 2017 67. It's nearly an 18 plate this, and it was basically on the final run of these because they finished them in 2019 as far as I'm led to believe. As most of you realise, it's a bit new for us, but it's a one owner car, 23,000 miles from new, full massive service history. We'll go through that in a second. You won't believe the history is just crazy. Right, it's in silver with ebony leather trim, contrasting cream piping. We'll go through the interior in a second. I just want to have a walk around the car so you can see the car is absolutely spotless, and I mean spotless. There's a lot of rough ones about of these. There ain't many one owner from new late facelift cars with that type of mileage on. It's a very rare car, and for those people in the know, these demand a massive premium, especially now Jaguar aren't making modern XJs, and they're going to go all electric over the next year or so. So this one, like I say, is a full facelift car, not to be confused with previous models that look similar. The bumpers are different, the lights are different. It's got all LED lights, Jaguar LED technology lights all the way around it. The levels of spec are a little bit different. It is actually a premium luxury with many extras. I'm just going to walk around. As you can see, the back bumper's different. The bit at the bottom there is all black rather than colour coded or black plastic. It's a black shiny gloss finish. We'll go around the specification in a second. Just want to take you around. Now, there's not a scuff on a bumper, a mark on a wheel. There's no corrosion bubbles or blisters. We'll go around all the panels in fine detail in a second. Just want to take you for a quick walk round first. This car wants or needs absolutely nothing. Unfortunately, because the weather's been so bad, we've had this car for a few months, and believe it or not, the weather's been so bad down here that we just literally haven't dared bring it out. We wanted a really nice day, and of course today's really nice and bright, but it's cool, and there is a bit of glare from the sun, but I think you'll see the car and everything you need to see about it. Right, no scuffs on front bumpers, no damaged light lenses, no chips on the bonnet. No chips on the bonnet. No chips or cracks in the windscreen. Everything works on this car perfectly. No warning lights on it, no issues. No damage on the front bumper corner this side. As you can see, all the alloy wheels have been properly refurbished. They've not all been lashed in bright silver like some of them are. This has had the wheels properly, excuse the noise in the background, this has had the wheels properly done like they should have been, like they were from the factory. Look at that down the sides. It's a lovely colour, this. It looks like liquid metal. It's absolutely fantastic. Chrome door mirror covers, when I can speak. I think I'm freezing up. Chrome door handle cups, so you don't scratch the doors with your nails. I think it's quite a good addition, that. This car literally has had, within the last 300 miles, it's had 4 brand spanking new Jaguar rated, J-rated Dunlop SP Sport Max GT tyres. You can see there, look, J, because they're the Jaguar ones. These particular tyres were designed for this car. So it's got 4 brand spanking new J-rated Dunlop tyres on it. At the cost of 850 quid. We put those on about less than 300 miles ago. All the wheels have been refurbished. There's no dints on the car. Let's just go down the side. Look at that, how straight it is and how glossy it is. It's had a full machine polish. just to give it that extra, you know, mint look. It's been ceramic coated. It's a big car, this, so you know they need ceramic coating really, so they're just a bit easier to keep on top of when you have to wash them off. It runs perfectly, as you can hear. We have got it running. All the lights at the back are different. All the way that they light up, it's all LED. It's got a rear reversing camera, rear parking sensors. These are just magnificent cars, mega cars for the money. It's got keyless entry, keyless locking, keyless go. It's got electric heated folding door mirrors that dim like the interior rear view mirror, and also when you reverse they go down as well so you can see the curb. So brilliant are the mirrors on this. As you can see here, look, it's even got the elements in the rear windows. Heated front screen, heated rear screen, panoramic roof, look, glass roof which opens, tilt and slides. Like I say, all the wheels are mints. Had brand new Jaguar centre caps put in as well by us. It's got brand new wiper blades on it. You won't get an XJ that's as mint as this, that's been prepped as well as this car. It's had 2 new wiper blades. It's had, in the last 1,000 miles, it's had 3 services in the last 1,000 miles, and that's because of the time rather than the distance. In the last 300 miles, it's had a service done by us, Castrol, proper Castrol oils, the correct grade. It's had a fuel filter, oil filter, like I say, the oil changed. It's had a pollen filter in it. It's had the twin air filters, because it's got 2 air filters on this, brand new air filters, screen wash, brake fluid checked, antifreeze all checked for strength and condition. And also it's had under warranty a replacement big turbo. So the big turbo has been replaced, so there's no worries there, and that part has got 2 years warranty on it. And that was a Jaguar brand new Jaguar turbo, and that was fitted, and also a throttle body that was replaced under warranty. What else was done? It's had also, we had it to a different Jaguar specialist that specialises in these newer Jaguars, because we do the older ones normally, and it had a cam belt on it about 300 miles ago as well. We had that fitted, so it's got peace of mind, not because of the mileage but because of the age. I'm trying to think if there's anything else we've had done at it. No. So I serviced it, put new wiper blades on, new tyres, not to be too repetitive, had all the wheels refurbished. It's had a cam belt, brand new big turbo that was fitted. It's had the throttle body replaced, both of those under warranty, and it's absolutely perfect. Runs perfect, goes well, because they're about 300 horsepower these, or slightly over. They go really well. This one, we'll have a look in the boot now first of all, and I'll show you. It's got a set of proper tailored rubber mats with a white edging round to match the piping on the seats. We put those in. We also bought this proper Jaguar fitted load liner for people to use. See there? Oh, it's had a brand new battery on it as well. I nearly forgot. It's had a brand new Bosch battery, and there's a spare wheel. It's got locking wheel nut, key, toolkit, everything in there. Perfect round the door shuts, no damage from loading or anything like that, no scuffs or scrapes on the bumpers. This car is as near to new as what you're ever going to get, and don't forget they don't make these anymore. Right, let's have a look at this beautiful interior, ebony interior. It has got the special order satin oak in it, so it's not walnut, not figured ebony, it's not aluminium trim, it's got the satin oak, which is gorgeous. It just makes it look so contemporary inside. It's just fantastic. There you go. Look at the seats. Absolutely perfect. All the seats are perforated, got the leapers on the headrest, as you can see. It's got the Alcantara parcel shelf. It's never been used in the back here. It was owned by an elderly gentleman. It's also got rear heated seats, rear air conditioning, and there are the brand spanking new mats. Look like they've never had a foot on them. All the contrasting stitching in the seats, contrasting piping. The headline is absolutely unmarked and perfect. These are fantastic value for money. Right, it's got electric front seats. It's got electric mirrors, electric windows all around, memory seats. It's got electric steering column. I'll just jump in here. It's got 23,468 miles on it. It's got heated steering wheel, auto lights, auto wipers, dimming rear view mirror. It's got electric blind for the sunroofs inside. Look at this in here. Beautiful car. Look, unmarked, not all scratched to bits down here. It's got USB ports and everything in there. Yeah, it's absolutely perfect. Been extremely well looked after. Parcel shelf, glove box works all like it should. So you've got navigation, Bluetooth music, Bluetooth phone. You've got DAB radio, heated front seats, heated front screen there, look. And in the ashtrays there is two keys with the car, which work perfectly well. Navigation there, look. It's got rear camera. There's your music, your source, DAB radio, Bluetooth music. Yeah, and it's also got the premium Meridian sound system in it as well. As you can see there, look, temperature absolutely perfect, no warning lights apart from the front door and no safety belt on. 5 degrees outside, look, feels colder than that. It's got half a tank of diesel, guys. That's worth something, isn't it? Especially in one of these with the size of these tanks. Cruise control. Yeah, what a machine. What a machine. None of this ebony plastic has gone discoloured like they sometimes do on these. There's no blibs and blobs or damage on the chrome ashtray there. That all works perfectly as well. The safety belts. This car really wants seeing to believe it. You need to see it in real life to see how absolutely mint it is. There's no damage on the door handles, no damage on the wood. I mean, obviously you'd expect that from a car that we sell, because we don't sell anything that's not absolutely perfect. All in the door shuts are clean, everything's been cleaned. We've detailed it like we do every other car. Just because it's a modern car doesn't mean that we haven't done everything that we need to do to it. I'll just show you around this side. Look at that there, look. Again, no marks. Look, I mean, the leather in this is just so soft. It is absolutely beautiful. It really is. Oh, what I nearly forgot. Zoom out a little bit. I nearly forgot, it's got soft close. Can you see that, folks? Soft closed doors on it. What a car. I mean, what a car, really. Runs absolutely perfect. Anyway, I'll show you underneath the bonnet. See, all the carpets are lovely, like brand new, and all the brand new tailored floor mats to match the seats. Beautiful. Not a lot to see under here, really. Oh, I forgot to tell you as well. It's had a cam belt. It's had an auxiliary belt as well while they were doing it. New throttle body, 2 air filters, oil and filter, pollen filter, new wiper blades. I'm being a bit repetitive, I know. I just feel like I'm missing something out because it's had everything it wanted. This car is ready to go, literally ready to go. And it was MOT'd when it was first put in the showroom. Before we had a chance to photograph it, it went straight through its MOT. We had it MOT'd up the road independently. You've just got to look after these in terms of oil and filter. We all know about these and the DPFs and things like that. Well, there's a way around it. Make sure you give it, you do a mixture of driving, motorway, main roads and back roads, and just local driving. Make sure you do a real good mixture. We recommend putting Forte diesel additive and DPF regenerator in them and stuff like that, but that's up to you. You do what you want. The thing is, what I will insist, that somebody who buys this car is going to do a mixture of driving, not just town use, because these cars aren't meant just to be run around the town for a newspaper and back home again, 1 mile there, 1 mile back. They're just not meant for it. Also, I want you to understand that this has had an oil and filter change and everything. It's all been done, but it will want doing again. I know it sounds crazy, but take my word for it, it will want doing again in about 3,500-4,000 miles maximum. Forget what Jaguar say for the oil change intervals. If you want this car to run perfectly and be trouble free, you need to be doing the oil change every 3,500 miles. You don't have to do anything else. Just do everything once a year. Oil, you know, your air filters and bits and pieces like that. Just do everything else once a year, but you need to be doing, if you're not doing that many miles, you need to be doing it twice a year, because that will save the car, save the engine. A lot of people are having problems with the Jaguar diesels, and that is because they're not doing enough oil changes. It's not the only reason, but it is a big reason. If you do plenty of oil and filter changes, these cars will be absolutely fine. Don't stick to the Jaguar service regime, because it doesn't work. Do the oil and filter change, I repeat, every 3,500-4,000 miles, and you'll have no bother. And this car is all ready to go. No issues, no problems, no aggravation. Put a bit of fuel in, and we don't even have to put any fuel in here for a bit because it's got half a tank, but put some fuel in and go. And what a fantastic car. All MOT'd, all brand new tyres, all mechanically done for you, all cleaned. Must be best one in country. Anyway, folks, give us a shout if you're interested in this car. Jaguar XJ X351. The telephone number to call, and I wouldn't leave it too long, because I think this car will be away quite quickly, because there ain't that many of these in the marketplace. And we have had some calls, because we've had it on our website provisionally for a while, because we haven't had a chance to take the pictures, and we've had some calls on it. Oh, have you got any pictures? Have you got any videos? And we just haven't until now, when we've been really busy doing other restorations and things. Anyway, today's the day. Video, all the photographs will be on our website and Facebook page in due course. This car is for sale. Telephone number 07759 938 395. You've got to see this car. It's going to be put back in our showroom again now, undercover, so no matter what the weather is, you can see it in the showroom and you can go all around it. You won't find a mark on it, and it runs absolutely perfect. This car will be better for seeing in real life. I'm not sure how this video and the photographs will do it justice, but you've got to see it in real life. Everybody who's seen it just goes wow, because it's absolutely mint. And the email address to get in touch with us is sales@themoltonmotorcompany.com. Give us an email, give us a call, and the price of the car is £24,995, and that's a fixed price. The car is worth every penny of that. We all know you can get 100,000 mile ones of these on a 13 plate, on a 12 plate, and a 10 plate, whatever, for like 3 or 4 or 5 grand, 6, 7 grand. But this ain't one of them cars. This is one of the run out models. It's full facelift, and it's very low mileage, one owner, massive service history. Included in the pictures I'm going to take for this car will be included its service sheet and all the handbooks, and showing you the pictures of the keys and everything else, so you can see everything comes with it. Hope you've enjoyed looking around this car. We think it's absolutely magnificent. Look forward to your contact. Another video will be coming along really soon. Bye for now.